Good morning. Here is just a quick video for how to submit this assignment, particularly with a video attached to it or a picture. So when you click submit, you can actually choose a file to upload. So let's say you've taken a screenshot of that. When I click choose file, I should be able to go to, say, my desktop or my downloads, wherever it is that you've saved that file to. And let's just pretend I'm going to upload like an image that I have taken. I can open up that document and I can upload my image. I could even add a comment right here that says, again, I can name that file. Once I've added that in there, say I call it the Math 1-1 assignment, and then I just click submit. So that's how I have to add it as a file upload of the picture. You could also record media, hold up the picture of your work or your student's work. Once you've recorded it, you'll click submit. You could have saved it to your Google Drive and then gone in and actually found the file. So it's really up to you how you want to submit that math assignment.